Okay, so good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. So, this is our first meeting, sir. Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, so yeah, this is Chandan. I live in Bihar state. Professionally, I'm a teacher, and if discuss about my hobbies, so I love to interact with the new people and traveling different places. It is a part of my hobby. Yeah, that's all about me. May I know about you?
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I'm Gautam Saur. I'm from Odisha. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my intermediate before year. Right now, I'm pursuing my graduation first year by my nearby college. My hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music, and watching movies. My short-term goal is to speak English, and my long-term goal is to become a good English teacher. That's all about me.
Wonderful. So I just want to know what is your goals of life?
Uh, Nowadays, I'm thinking I will try to become an English teacher or teacher line because I took art stream. That's why.
Wow, nice. So I think there are multiple field I would say. So why did you choose to become teacher, not other thing? May I know the
I
basic reasons of your?
I will try to become teacher, but in in the after some days or after some years, I will try to give some exams, competitive type exams, which is help to me become anything.
Okay, okay, that's really great. You just think about your futures actions. That's the reason you start learning English and becoming teacher. That's a great thoughts. Wonderful. Okay, so I would like to know the way of learning of yours. How have you been learning English?
I have been learning this language for 5 months ago, and I'm trying to learning this language for my better communication with people and to know entire world because nowadays English is a global language. If we go anywhere outside of our state or our country, then we have to must know English because uh, people don't know our native language. That is the main reason.
That's a, so. What do you learning English at your home? What do you do?
Sorry,
What in your English?
sorry. I think voice is cutting.
Now is it okay?
Okay, okay.
So I'm asking you, what do you do for improving your English
Yes.
nowadays?
Nowadays, I am practicing by Skype app. Along with this, I'm watching broadcast videos, listening some good speakers. After that, I'm reading books. That is three only method I'm using.
Wow, nice. So, what type of book do you read?
Nowadays, I'm reading Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Do you know Rich Dad and Poor Dad?
I have heard the name, but I couldn't
Yes,
any book.
that is
Do you
like a good social book for our society or me also.
nice? So, so do you like? Are you a spiritual person or not?
Sorry.
Are you a spiritual person or not?
Yes,
Do you believe in God?
yes.
That's great. So, okay. So, do you have you ever visited any temple which is very famous, like a Kedarnath or
Not yes. Not I not went to Kedarnath, but in our state there are lots of temple nearby us. I visited that temples.
Mm. That's a great. So, how do you spend your time, free time?
Um, Nowadays, I'm not getting plenty of free time because my college class will start 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. After that, I will return to my room and then I will have my lunch. After that, I will try to learn some uh, vocabs or anything. I will read some books in the morning time. After that, I will conversation with people by the Skype app. After that, my college homework I will do.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, so which subject do you like mostly?
Mm, I will. My favorite subject is geography, but in our college the geography subject is not available. That is the main reason.
Okay,
Yes.
and hobbies, what do you like?
Uh, my hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music, and yes, traveling also. I want to travel every places of India. Yes, because traveling is a most beautiful thing.
Hmm. How many places have you visited till now?
Not, I'm determined to travel, but uh, when I will earn money, then I will travel.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, you are right. I mean, because still you are a student, so
Yes.
it is not easy for going any place. Okay, do you have any questions for asking me?
Are you teacher, English teacher, or any other English teacher? Oh, and how long you have been learning this language?
For 2 years.
2 years. Oh, nice, nice.
So I want to ask one question. What are
Yes.
the difficulties? What are the difficulties are you facing into this language?
Nowadays, I'm facing not many problem, but as compared to before some month or year, nowadays I'm speaking little bit good, but the main problem I'm facing that is while speaking I'm forgetting some structures or words or way of speaking. That is the main problems I'm facing.
The forgetting problem, right?
Yes.
How are you working upon this?
Yes.
To
I'm
improve
try to yes. Everyone said me speak every day. Try to practice speaking. Then you will definitely speak.
and what do you think?
Yes. After practicing, after some days practice, I uh, see some changes.
Mhm. Yeah, you are right.
Yes.
Practicing makes you perfect.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, tell me about what I asked. Okay, when have you started learning English?
Mm, I have started learning this language before 1 year, but fully I constantly work on it for only 5 months
Hi.
because I have not get any teachers for who teach me the English. That is the main reason to wasted my 5 months.
Okay.
Yes.
So, like, how did you get the idea about these kinds of platform and will give any idea?
My brother said me, you. do practice by download Skype app because that is a very good app. Everyone practicing by this that app, you will do practice, then your speaking will be improved.
Whenever you connect with any stranger person, so have you got fear?
uh, yes, not now. My initial days, my initial speaking practicing days, I'm fearing to conversing with people, but nowadays I'm not fearing to conversing with people, but that is video call or audio call. I will definitely do.
So, as you mentioned, like 5 year, 5 months back, you started learning English. So
Yes.
for 5 months back, you have been consistent for 5 months continuously, or you made a gap?
Yes, I made gap, but not a long gap, only 2 days, 3 days, like this.
Okay. But 5 months you have been consistent, right? So now, what's your intention? You want to be a fluent speaker, and like you are fully focused over this language now. Am I right?
Yes.
Nice. So, is there anyone surrounding you with whom you can talk in English?
Not that is the main problem because in our society or in my society, they are not. Uh, they will not talk English. They will only talk with our regional language. That's why I'm not practicing with them. That's why I'm practicing with Skype. If we surrounded with English or any language, not only English, then we will definitely know the language by hearing to them.
Yes, correct. So, as you mentioned, like my brother has given me his application suggestion. So, your brother might have known about how to speak English. So, you
Yes.
have talked to them earlier, and now are you talking with them?
Yes. Not he will not call me every day, but someday he will call me, and I will talk with them hour and half an hour, just like
So, in current situations, what channel have you been following for a long time in order to improve your English? Is there any specific channel do you follow?
um, not, but Ram. Do you know Ram?
Ram, yeah, he belonged to, I think, Hyderabad, I think.
Yes, Tamil Nadu. He is working there, in Bangalore. He is working in Bangalore. Yes,
But,
following his broadcast because he is speaking very slowly and very easy words.
okay. Other channel?
And are you following any channel?
Yeah, who has taught English?
Oh, and, do you have a YouTube channel?
Are you asking me? Yeah, of course I have.
Oh,
Yes,
that is new or old?
yes, yes. Actually, I also talked to Ram, as you mentioned.
Oh,
I already had a conversation with him, and he was really nice.
yes.
Okay, so say something about your daily life, your routine, your schedules. How do you manage? Say something.
Because nowadays I am outside my village and I am uh, in a rent because we are college student. That's why. And first I will wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. After that, I will study for 2 hours. After that, I will start preparing food from 6:30 to 8 o'clock.
Mm.
After that, I will go. After that, I will go to take my bath. Then I will eat. Uh, I will eat my breakfast. Then I will go to my college. My college will start 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. The college will be end 12 o'clock. After that, I will return to my home. Then I will have my lunch. After that, I will take 30-minute rest, and I'm doing a tuition classes for. I'm doing a tuition class of a student. We will come 2:30 to 3:30, 1 hour class. After that, I will go to play cricket at 4 o'clock in the evening. Then I will return to my room 6 o'clock. Then I will once again start study after fresh up. Then I will go to prepare my food. Then I will eat at 9 o'clock. Then we will sleep. That is
Wow.
my daily routine.
Yeah, yeah, it's a quite busy routine, I would say, and in well manner you manage everything. I really appreciate you because being a student, it's very difficult to manage our daily schedules, but somehow you managed in a well manner. So it's a
Yes.
very commendable job. I would say keep learning, never give up, and to be consistent. This is the alternative of for every learners to improve their communication skill.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So I this would end up now. Okay, so let's see in future we again connect.